Hey, Matt Brulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're on one of my favorite boats, the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This boat's got the upgraded 200 V6. You got your jump seats right here on either side, port and starboard. Very comfortable. Dry seat in the house right here. Up here you got your seat that you can adjust if you're hanging out. Doing this, maybe you're trolling, somebody's running the boat, you can take a look in the back. Ton of storage. I usually keep my life jackets down here, towels, blankets, maybe an extra change of clothes. Pull it back. Nice and easy, and it's adjustable. You got your Simrad VHF, you got all your switches, 9-inch Simrad, stainless steel steering wheel. Up here you got your cooler seat. This one's also coming with the hard top with the white powder coat. We took the cushions off, but these do come with full cushions up here. So you have your bow sun pad. You got your recliner seats that usually go here, and there's plenty of room to kind of face forward while you're underway. Great boat. Come on down, MarineMax Boston. Ask for me or give me a call if you want questions about this boat or any other boat in my inventory. 603-320-5524. Thank you for watching.